Relationships are a beautiful journey, but when mental health struggles like anxiety and depression enter the picture, they can create an unexpected strain. As a partner, seeing someone you love battle these mental health issues can be heartbreaking and frustrating, especially when you feel unsure about how to help. Anxiety and depression are not only isolating for the person experiencing them, but they can also make their loved ones feel helpless, exhausted, and confused. However, it's important to understand that while these challenges are daunting, there are practical and psychological ways you can support your partner through these tough times. By developing patience, empathy, and understanding, you can create a healthier relationship that can weather the storms of mental health struggles. In this video, we'll dive into the psychology behind anxiety and depression, explore effective ways to support your partner, and provide actionable tips to maintain a balanced relationship while dealing with these challenges. Understanding anxiety and depression. Anxiety and depression are two of the most common mental health conditions, and their effects extend far beyond just feeling sad or worried. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, NIMH, over 40 million adults in the U.S. experience anxiety disorders, and about 17.3 million adults struggle with depression. These conditions often come with an array of psychological and physical symptoms, which can significantly disrupt daily life. Anxiety typically manifests as excessive worry, racing thoughts, and physical symptoms like a racing heart, sweaty palms, or difficulty breathing. These feelings of tension and nervousness often occur in situations that are not inherently dangerous, but can feel overwhelmingly threatening to the individual. On the other hand, depression is often characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in activities that once brought joy. It affects a person's ability to function on a daily basis, sometimes leading to issues with work, relationships, and personal care. Both conditions can strain relationships, not just because of the symptoms themselves, but also because they can cause emotional and physical distance between partners. The good news is that understanding these conditions from a psychological perspective can equip you with the tools to support your partner while taking care of yourself. Now, let's talk about the psychology of supporting your partner. Number 1, educate yourself on anxiety and depression. One of the first steps in supporting your partner is to educate yourself about anxiety and depression. The more you understand about these conditions, the better equipped you'll be to respond with empathy and patience. Research shows that individuals who struggle with mental health conditions often feel misunderstood by their loved ones, which can intensify feelings of isolation and shame. A study by the University of Michigan found that when partners educated themselves about their significant other's mental health struggles, relationships improved, with more open communication and mutual understanding. For example, knowing that your partner's feelings of hopelessness or constant worry aren't a reflection of you can help you avoid taking their struggles personally. Depression and anxiety are complex mental health disorders that have biological, psychological, and environmental factors. So recognizing these factors will help you stay supportive without feeling overwhelmed or frustrated. Number 2, provide emotional support with empathy. Empathy is one of the most powerful tools you have when supporting a partner with anxiety or depression. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that empathy from loved ones plays a significant role in improving the mental health outcomes of individuals experiencing depression and anxiety. Instead of offering solutions or dismissing their feelings, listen to your partner and validate their emotions. This can make them feel seen and heard, which is incredibly healing. Here's a great strategy. Practice reflective listening. This involves repeating what your partner says in your own words to show that you understand. For example, if they say, "I feel like I can't handle anything right now," you might respond with, "It sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed by everything." This simple technique helps your partner feel understood and less alone in their struggles. Number 3, encourage professional help. While emotional support is essential, it's also crucial to encourage your partner to seek professional help if they haven't already. According to the American Psychological Association, APA, psychotherapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and medications like antidepressants have been shown to be effective in treating anxiety and depression. However, it's essential to approach this conversation gently. Pushing someone into therapy or medication before they are ready can create resistance or feelings of inadequacy. Instead, make the conversation about their well-being. I want you to feel better, and I think a therapist could really help with the things you're going through. Remember, it's important that you be supportive, but ultimately, the decision to seek help must come from your partner. Number 4, be patient and manage expectations. Supporting a partner with anxiety or depression requires patience. Recovery doesn't happen overnight, and there may be good days and bad days. A study from the University of Queensland revealed that partners who exhibit patience and understanding throughout their loved one's mental health journey experience more positive relationship outcomes. It's also essential to manage your expectations. If your partner is struggling with motivation or withdrawing, understand that this is a symptom of their depression or anxiety, not a reflection of how they feel about you. Avoid placing blame or expressing frustration, as this can exacerbate their feelings of guilt or shame. Number 5, maintain your own mental health. Supporting a partner through mental health challenges can take a toll on your own emotional well-being. You may feel drained, anxious, or even resentful at times. According to a 2018 study published in the Journal of Family Psychology, caregivers and partners of individuals with depression often experience caregiver burnout, which can lead to emotional and physical exhaustion. It's vital to prioritize your own mental health so you can continue to be a source of support for your partner. Practice self-care by setting aside time for activities that relax and rejuvenate you, whether that's exercising, reading, or spending time with friends. Also, don't hesitate to seek support for yourself. Speaking with a therapist or joining a support group for partners of individuals with anxiety or depression can provide you with helpful coping strategies. Number 6, create a positive and stable environment. A stable and supportive environment can make a huge difference for someone struggling with anxiety or depression. Try to create a calm and comforting space at home, free from unnecessary stressors. Engaging in regular routines and maintaining healthy habits, like consistent sleep schedules and nutritious meals, can help manage the psychological symptoms of anxiety and depression. If your partner is open to it, you can also explore mindfulness or relaxation techniques together. Research from Harvard Medical School suggests that mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing exercises or meditation, can help reduce anxiety and improve emotional regulation, which can be beneficial for both partners in the relationship. Supporting a partner with anxiety and depression isn't easy, but it is one of the most loving and rewarding things you can do in a relationship. By educating yourself, offering empathetic listening, encouraging professional help, and maintaining patience, you can create a safe and supportive environment that helps your partner heal. Remember, it's important to take care of yourself along the way so you can continue to offer the support your partner needs without compromising your own well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship insights. We've also got other helpful videos on building strong relationships, understanding mental health, and improving communication. Be sure to check them out next.